Welcome to our channel. Eero Wi-Fi router not working? Try this. Power cycle the whole setup. First thing, and I know it sounds obvious, but unplug everything. Your Eero, your modem, all of it. Wait a full 30 seconds. So just plug your modem back in first, let it fully boot up, then plug your Eero back in. Check the Eero app. Open the Eero app. If you're not signed in, sign in. Sometimes it just logs you out. The app will tell you what's wrong, like if your internet's down or a device isn't talking to the main router. Follow what it says. Move your Eero. People stick their Eeros behind TVs or inside cabinets, and then wonder why the Wi-Fi sucks. Move it out in the open. Waist height or higher is best. Seriously, this simple move can fix the lag room instantly. Restart your modem. Your modem is part of this chain. If it's cranky, your Eero won't work right. Power cycle it separately. Unplug for 30 seconds. Plug back in. Wait until the lights settle, then reboot your Eero. Check cables. Ethernet cables go bad. I had one that looked fine, but killed my speeds. If your Eero is wired to the modem, swap the cable. Use a known good one. Also, check for loose connections. Wiggle it a bit. Make sure it clicks in. Update firmware. Go into the app and check for updates. These routers auto-update, but sometimes they get stuck. Hit the update button manually. Let it reboot. If you've been ignoring updates for months, this alone can fix your problem. Reboot the network from the app. There's a Restart Network option in the app. Use it. It does a soft reboot of your whole mesh. This is like a less annoying way to refresh everything without yanking cables. Handy if you don't want to crawl under your desk. Check your ISP. Sometimes it's not your Eero, it's your ISP. Log into your account or call them. If your internet is out, no amount of router rebooting will fix it. I have wasted hours troubleshooting a dead Eero when it was just my ISP being down. Factory reset. If nothing else works, factory reset. Hold down the button on the bottom of the Eero for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes red, then white. Wipe it clean. Re-add it in the app like it's brand new. Annoying, but it works. Check power supply. At last, it is important to check your power brick. I had an Eero that kept rebooting randomly, turned out the power supply was dying. Swap it if you've got a spare. This is rare, but worth checking if you've tried everything else. Thank you for watching.